Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up scheduled cleanup with Dreame bot L10s Pro 2nd generation. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, move to scheduled cleanup. Inside we can click on this plus button and then change starting time, repeat, and you can set it to once, daily, Monday to Friday, weekends, or custom. In custom you'll be able to select whichever days from the week you want. Then we can change our cleaning tasks. If you have your robot already mapped all around your house, you'll be able to select specific rooms. In this case, only option I have is a vacuum, or actually, sorry, is actually room, which is nothing. There's also this cleaning task, and here we can change the cleaning mode between vacuum, and mop, suction power between quiet, standard, turbo or max, and the root, quick or standard, and the cycles, how many times it will repeat all of the actions. When you're ready, click on OK and your schedule should be saved. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.